Welcome back to my channel. We are at the Dollar Tree. It is a dreary day here in Texas, but we only get a couple of weeks worth of winter, so we'll just make do. We're fixing to go inside and look at some more of the Valentine stuff. I've been watching some other Dollar Tree hauls, and I saw some things that I didn't see the first time I was here, so we came to a different Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna look around and see if I can find the things that I was looking for. We'll see you inside.
Look at this.
This is cute. This is really cute. I like that. Love this. I think I'm gonna get Ashley too. And
Here's some weird. Here's some other monkeys. They're different than those.
There's all the Valentines that they have. And there's the monkeys we were just discussing. Oh, look at those placemats. They're so cute. Yeah. We got pencils and erasers.
These are
Little
cute pens.
Notepad. And stickers. What'd you buy? Those are cute. Surprise fingers. Are those rings? They're rings. Little sticker boxes. Little stampers for the end of your pencil. Look at these little paint sets.
Are you supposed to put this at the end of your pencils? Oh yeah, you are.
These are cute. Look at how cute that is.
That's cute. Oh. Friend Bear's talking to us.
Oh, I definitely need some foam stickers. I need 2 packages of these. Will you put these in the buggy for me?
This is a chalkboard.
Yes, it is. That's really cute. Hold up. Yes.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
This teddy bear is so cute.
Yeah. This is. I want a couple packages of these. Let's see how many. 2 tissue pom-poms. This is the one I want right here.
Wow.
What?
Look.
That's cute. Okay, here. Put 3 of these in the basket. Wait, what color are those? Were those all pink?
Pink.
No,
Those are red.
no, those.
These?
Are those all pink?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I want. These are cute. It says, "Be mine. Happy Valentine's Day." These are like window decals. And they got doilies and tablecloths, plates, napkins, and these.
I'm going to do this one.
And these are the table scatter. They got pink and red. You're gonna get another scarf?
Yeah. It's the same one that you have.
Same one that I have.
And you can get this scarf. And I have roses. They're cute.
Yeah, those are cute. And over here, lots of balloons, more signs, flowers, lots and lots of flowers. Oh, those are cute. Here's the scarves I was talking about yesterday. They have XO. They have the one that I was wearing. They have one that's got donuts on it, so that's cute.
More
We've got
XOs?
some headbands, some glasses, some necklaces. And then here's candy. Candy.
Calm down.
Candy.
Calm down.
Everybody needs candy.
Calm down. Oh, these are cute.
And they've got Valentines that have candy with them. They've got Paw Patrol. They've got Shopkins. If your kids are into Shopkins, those are really cute. 12 cards and 12 pops and a teacher card.
What about the truck?
I'll show you that. Look at that. Do they have small tongs? And then-
It's soccer ball.
and they've got Sour Patches.
Oh, yeah, they have basketball.
That are Valentine's.
Basketball. Yes.
And then they've got the traditional candy. So you can give a co-worker or whatever. And little treat bags. These are cute.
You can get it.
And then they've got handmade Valentine greeting cards. Cute cat. Cute dog. Aw.
There are new rocks over here.
Okay. Okay. They've got organizing stuff. And then they've got these cute little buckets. These are so cute. You get 2 for $1. They're in a heart shape. We got pink and red. Girls, come back over here. And these little candy dishes. They're glass. These are cute. Oh, these are cute.
Now they have the bonus pack. Not back in July. Let's see.
That's really cute.
Ah, Claire, this bell head. You can knock on it. It won't tear.
Okay.
Next time I'll get
We also
this.
put 2 of these in my basket.
Yeah.
And they got socks. Cute socks.
Fluffy.
And they got gift boxes.
Oh, this is so funny. It's a polar bear.
And that's the end of their Valentine's. I came for stringed lights. We got 2 of those. Actually, I think I made it 4 of those. And then they got a heart wreath. That's cute. And then more socks. More of those monkeys. And then they got decoratable bags. Little crafts. And here we've got stickers, foam hearts,
Ribbon.
felt stickers, and then
Ribbon.
I didn't see that. That was too fast. Yeah, all different kinds of ribbon. Cute. So you gotta hold it still. And a big ribbon down here. And then so this different colored mesh. We got pink today. We have 2 different colors of pink. Those are cute.
Those are cute.
Well, I'm home now from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to show you what I got. I found this vase. It says love with hearts all around it. It is so cute. I got 2 of those. And then I found this vase, and I don't know if you can see that. It says made with love. And it's got this pattern around it. I thought that was so cute. So I got 2 of those. And then I got the styrofoam ball for a DIY. I got 2 of those. And then I got some more ribbon. I got some small ribbon this time. I got some red with white hearts. And then I got white with red hearts. And then I've got this white and red, like a picnic pattern. And then I got this table scatter decorations. These are similar to the beads that I had the other day that were clear and red, but these are hearts and these are pink. And then I got some red ones as well. So, and then I also found these LED candles, the pillar candles. Let me turn it on so you can see what it looks like. I got 2 red ones, and then I got 2 white ones for my DIYs. And then I got a couple of these. These are tissue pom-pom garlands. One garland has 6 pom-poms, and each of them are 5.5 in diameter. They're all tangled together, but I'm gonna use those for a DIY. And then I got some of this red beads. I know you've seen a lot of people using these for DIYs that were clear. I found the red, I thought that was cute. So I got that as well. And then I found some pink mesh. So I went ahead and got 2 of those, just in case I were to need them. If not, I can use them for Easter. And then I found these LED light string. It just takes 2 AA batteries. And there's 10 lights in each thing. So I got a couple of those. And then they still had some of these. They may have them all year, but I got the silver wire LED lights. So I got a couple packages of those. And then I got some towels to decorate my kitchen with. So, and then my kids need to redo their Valentine buckets. So I found this, they liked this purple wrapping paper, so I got that. And then they got some stickers to decorate the bucket. 2 different kinds of stickers to decorate their bucket with. And then I got this cute decorative cake tray for a DIY. And then last but not least, my children have eaten all of their pralines that I got them for Christmas, and so they each asked for a can of these. These are delicious. So I bought them each a can of pralines. That's basically what I got today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.